Hello to all the traders and investors, and a very warm welcome to your own channel, Trading Guru. Today, we are going to talk about Infosys Q4 profits and the results which came out just recently. Infosys Q4 profits have fallen to 5,076 crores. So, let's check some detailed analysis about this to understand if these are good levels to buy or sell the stock. Infosys, as you know, is the second largest IT service company, and they have reported a 2.3% sequential decline in consolidated profits at 5,076 crores for the quarter ended March 2021. The impact was by weak margin performances but supported by revenue growth. Consolidated revenues from operations grew by 1.5% sequentially to 26,311 crores, which was slightly below what was predicted by the polls of CNBC TV 18. Board has also approved a share buyback of 9,200 crores at a maximum price of 1,750. So the stock is anyway trading below, and 9,250 is something which is going to be a level wherein it can be bought. Infosys shares have rallied about 11% in 2021 compared to Nifty IT, which has grown about 6.6%. So you can see a big profit booking at this level. You already saw it falling about 2% yesterday on the yesterday's trading session. You can see more profit bookings to take the stock below. What below, how, what levels is something which we will check now. If you check, as we spoke about, it has grown. This was the previous quarter performances on your screen till the last quarter. So with the 1.5% growth, as we spoke about, taking it to 2611, and the profits again from 5,215 it has gone up, and as mentioned, it has not gone up but it has fallen down to 5,076 crores. Let's go on the charts and see what can we expect from Infosys. Okay, so we are on the charts of Infosys. The high that it had made was 1477, and currently it is trading at 1402. So even if there is a profit booking, it can take it down to this 1341 levels, and I would go ahead and recommend strong buying zones in this, between this and this slot. So 1277 to 1330 is a good buying level, or maybe 1340. So you can go ahead and buy the stock in this period and hold for about 3 months. So you can expect again these levels of about 1500. So that is our analysis on Infosys. It is one of the best companies, IT companies in India. If you want to go ahead and buy something at this rate, I would recommend long-term advice, like investors can still go ahead and invest into this with 30% capital now, and hold and invest the remaining 70% of the capital in this zone right here. I hope you have subscribed to our channel. If not, please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more of such updates from our side. Thank you so much for being a lovely audience. You have a best day ahead.